Chatwriters review. In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about Chatwriters. Okay, maybe you're asking yourself, can you make money here on this website by chatting, by sending SMSs to strangers? But first of all, guys, if you want my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about Chatwriters. So this website is a website that claims that you can make money by sending messages. They say that you can make it 20 cents euros per message. That's what they claim. Okay, that's what they claim, but I don't recommend that you can waste your time here on this kind of website, guys. Okay, because they pay so low, and also it's not worth your time to waste your time here, guys. Okay, because your time, it is valuable. You can do so many things with your time by not just wasting your time here on this kind of website here, guys. Okay, they say that Chatwriter offers you a financial opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Okay, join the UK team freelancer Chatwriters today. We pay up to 20 euros per message. Okay, so the way that you start using here is you have to start by sending your own application. So as a Chatwriter, you will answer fleeting messages in anonymous settings. Okay, get paid every message you send up to roughly 7p each. Receive your earnings weekly. You must be over the age of 18. Okay, how does it work? This job, the job is to reply messages on other fleeting sites. You get paid for each message you answer. There is no limit on how many you can answer. Okay, what are benefits? Working from home, we pay weekly. Okay, open 24 hours a day, of work from anywhere in the world. Up to 20 euros per message. Guys, don't waste your time here on this kind of website. I don't recommend that you can waste your time here. What else that they do? Okay, they say that you can work from home. You can get paid on a weekly basis. You can work whenever and whenever you want, from where you want. It is open 24 hours a day. You can earn up to 20 cents per message that you send. Okay, the application is quick. It done in less than a day. You can start earning money in the next already. Okay, let's talk about this, right? The way that they say that you can make money fast, okay, in a week, how much you can make per month, you don't talk about it. But do you think that you can make $100 per month? No, you can't. On this website, I've done it, guys. Okay, the way that they make money here is by you staying on the website. Okay, is by you staying on the website. That's how they make their money, guys. Okay, from you. Okay, not for you, guys. Okay, so you're not gonna make money on this kind of website. You're gonna waste your time. I've been there, guys. I tried this kind of website surveys, watching videos. I didn't make any money. Guys. So I don't recommend for you to waste your time on this website, because they said you can make money. If you know, you can't. How much you can make? $1,000? No, you can't. You can't make money on this website, guys. So I didn't recommend for you to waste your time here. What do you do about chat? Okay, you have a chance to dwell into a variety of conversation from daily life and dreams about something a bit cheeky. That's what they say. Okay, and that's what you wanna need your ID. They will need your ID to sign up here. They will need your ID to verify that you are a person, or maybe you can use your passport, your driver license. That's why they need to verify that you are a human. Okay, and they say that you must be over the age of 18 years in order to start using this website. Okay, you must be over the age of 18. They have to verify you, guys. Additionally, you can only pay our salary. Our salary is true, and they shall provide us. They say that's a salary. I like this. They said you can make salary here. You can't even make $100 here with this. Even $20, you can't make that kind of money on this. They said that what is the salary? Your earnings depend on the number of messages you answer. There are also opportunities of bonuses, such as sending high volume of messages or working during special times like bank holidays. Oh no, like how do payments work? When do I get paid? We pay weekly. Most operators see the money in their accounts by the end of every week. In what currency will I get paid? You'll get paid in euros. Don't worry, online payment providers will convert into pound sterling if you prefer. How will I get paid? You can get paid either to your bank account or through the selected payment method providers. How much is it? You don't say it. You don't talk about it. You can earn $1,000, $5,000. They don't talk about it, okay? General requirements: you must be 18 years old. You must be able to speak English in a good way. You must have your own computer, laptop, or tablet, or mobile. Willing to work with other content, stuff like that. And these are the fake reviews, okay? Look at this. These photos, these they took from the internet, okay? Look at this. These jobs allows me to earn an extra for my needs without bothering my family's budget. I find and earn money. I get paid weekly and I'm satisfied. That's a fake review. I discovered this job chances to earn money. Why? To earn money you have to apply yourself. Nobody's give you nobody. But when I'm not studying or even it allows me to earn a salary. That's a fake review, guys, okay? If you want my recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox with high ticket affiliate marketing that allows you to earn over $1,000 per sale. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.